Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. That trade deal signing has been delayed till December. That really has put some of the traders on their heels a little bit. The futures now have little to gain more support and to give it a little bit more of a push. So right now you're seeing the market sagging somewhat. The technical numbers also have been breached, so we have to watch out in the next couple of days if there's some follow-through selling. Perhaps the trend is going to turn south somewhat. Now, we're going to be waiting until what happens on Friday, but maybe this is a little bit of an indication. Corn also was easier. That lower ethanol prices didn't help at all. And as well as the exports are on their lows. They've been like the lowest in 40 years. That's a pretty big number. And so I think that there's a little bit of negativity into the market right now. The futures are testing their lows at 379. Now, that is a big number. If we start to really drift below there or get followed through selling, we better watch out below that this market might be giving up. Depending on what happens with the WASDE report on Friday, I think that we can see there's going to be little to hold this market up, especially as the harvest continues to come in and our numbers start to be a little bit more clear. Now, wheat was higher, so that was the good thing for today. Tighter world supplies kind of squeezed the market up a little bit, about 5 or 6 cents at one point. Traders are getting a position ahead of the report on Friday, and I think that the volumes are very low right now. And what that does is makes the market really vulnerable to a little bit spiky kind of volatility. So we saw the market open and kind of spiked up 5 or 6 cents, which was a little bit of a surprise, especially that we thought that we might be testing that $5 level, but not today at all. We did get up to 5.20 on that D's contract, so I think that it looks like that the market is still staying relatively strong and kind of hanging out at this level, even though so many of the numbers have been relatively bearish. But we'll see what happens as we get a little closer to this report to see if we can get a little bit of an indication on what's going to happen. Interestingly enough, this report's going to be on Friday, so I expect a little bit more activity, especially because it's right before a holiday weekend.